Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing, as we do every week, posting the weekly watch list. These are the 5 stocks that we are watching this week. First one, PDD, second one, Netflix, third one, Meta, fourth one, Baba, and then the 5th one being Shop. Hope you guys all have a great week. So, getting things started like we do every time, the first thing I'm going to be doing is going to be breaking down the market. And the way I'm going to be doing that is by using SPY, which is the S&P 500 index. So let's go start off with the weekly chart here. We're still in a macro downtrend. You can see these higher, lower highs here. You can see all these bounces, reversal, bounce, reversal, bounce, reversal. And really a key inflection here in this coming week, as we do have a potential to break this descending trend line here, which would be of big importance here for the upside. And I'll cover a little bit into the 200-day moving average here in a second as well. But watching this nice double inside bar here, nice higher high bar here, very, very strong move here. Really, the key to hold this, would ideally want to see a hold above this 405.71 region here for an upside move here, and ideally hold this descending trend line here. If we do zoom in on a shorter time frame, you can see this descending trend line, how it acted as a support above, trade it below, reject, 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 and we rejected here again today. Currently sitting just below 408, watching this level to take this here, or for a long here on SPY. Now, going to the daily chart, let's load in the 200-day SMA, or the moving average. And really why that's of importance is the 200-day moving average is oftentimes used by institutions, hedge funds, banks, whatever it may be, to position long or short, depending on if you're trading above in an uptrend or below in a downtrend and selling that particular equity. As you can see here, we popped above here on 11:30, we rejected, we claimed below, and we got bought up here off of that job numbers that came out this morning here, closing up near that high of the day. So really liking this move here for a continuation move. Cracks that 408, next target into 414, potential up here into that 430 region here. Very, very nice setup here on this. Again, I really want to see this hold that level. If we do break and hold this descending trend line here, I do like this move to the upside here with potential into that 414 plus breakout this week. First one that's been highly unusual to see a stock of 52-week highs as of late. That's outside of the energy sector. But here we are, PDD. Nice breakout continuation move here. We got a double reject right here. You can see these two rejects at 83.70. Nice bullish reclaim here on Friday, moving to the upside. These levels coming from the weekly chart here. If we do go out to the weekly chart here, nice breakout of this high here. What was this on? 829, this high here at 72.79. You can see we gapped up here and broke right through it. Nice continuation move here. Now we do have a lot of consolidation here from this 110 to 70 region from this prior weekly chart. However, liking the strength here on volume for a continuation move. 87, this 8709, 87 region here, eyeing to take this if we can hold above this for a move up into 95.57. Zooming in on the shorter time frame, you can see we just chopped around this level all of today. We tried to break here, false break, pull back, false break here to the downside, and then basically an afternoon of consolidation here. So watching this one, holds 8709, will be eyeing to take this one to the long side here this coming week. Or if we reject here and form a bearish engulfing below 8250, potential to go short here on this one as well. Netflix. I like this one to fill this gap up here into this 328.83 region. You can see overall a macro uptrend here formed after this massive gap down on earnings. You can see a slower, steady state of higher highs here, moving to the upside, each pullback getting bought here, and a continuation here to the upside with some relative strength here on Friday. So watching this one here to the upside, if we do get a break and hold of this 320 psych level, I do think we test up into that 328.83 area here. Then above that, we do have room up into this 340, 342 overall region above. But again, very, very nice hold here. 300 macro support here. Ideally want this 320 region to hold to take this one to the upside this coming week. The third play, one that's also had some RS relative strength, is going to be Meta, and a Meta is really a cup breakout play here. So I mentioned this last week, this 118.76 level here on Meta. finally breaking above, pullback holds here on 12-1 and also here on Friday, 12-2. I do like this for a cut break and fill up into this 128.51 region here on this hold. If we do get some selling pressure here next week, eyeing this 118.76 region for a bounce level on a pullback for a continuation move to the upside here. If we do zoom in on a shorter time frame, see how we opened below here. This is all off this job numbers report, and we immediately reclaimed bullish buying strength on the 5-minute off the open. Pullback bounce here, indicating the strength at this 118.76 level. So eyeing this, if we do pull back bounce, I will be watching this level for a bounce long. If we do hold this 124.92 region, eyeing to take this into that gap fill up into 128.51 this week. The fourth play, one that's coming off of a decent day here on Friday, is going to be Baba. Some nice relative strength on this one as well. You get this gap up here on 11:30 into an inside bar here on 12-1 and a continuation move on 12-2, forming a net new high here off of this high here on this candle. Liking this move above 90.93. Again, this is a very, very choppy daily chart here, not a very strong trending structure, which I would ideally like to see on a breakout play. But potential here on this one if we do hold above this 90.93 area for a move up into that 95 region above here on this one. The last play, one that I've been watching pretty closely here, is going to be Shopify. Again, this one is also one that's stuck in range here. It's not a trending mover. It was a downtrending mover here, now into this accumulation phase here. What I would like to see is a reclaim. If we do break 45.29, I am to take this long into that 48.71 region. You can see we retested this on 8.11 before the strong sell-off here into lows. Now we're forming a shorter term uptrend here. You can see this uptrend move here, coincidentally with the market as well. But watching this above 45.29 for a breakout long here up into this 41.71 region and fill that 50 area, which is going to be a cycle level above. So keeping an eye on this one, likely to make this upside move if we can hold 45.29 this week. With that being said, that wraps up our 5 plays of the week. If you did enjoy this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. If you are interested in getting our course alerts and more, feel free to check out SimplifiedInvesting.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. Hope you guys all have a great weekend and a great week trading. Thank you.